Hello! In today's video lesson, I'll show you how to create a Minecraft server for free. Make sure to watch till the end so you understand every step. To create a Minecraft server, simply download the official Minecraft multiplayer server files from minecraft.net/download/server. Select the Java server link for Minecraft and download the latest version. Navigate to your Downloads folder and use your browser to locate the downloaded files. Create a new Minecraft server folder by right-clicking empty space. Then create a new folder by the name Minecraft Server and drag the downloaded server app into it. Open the folder and run the application, resulting in 6 additional files. Open EULA documents in a text editor, like a notepad. Set EULA value to true. Save and close. Restart server application in your File Explorer. Wait for server to create Minecraft World and wait for it to finish. To modify Minecraft Server World settings, open the server document file in your Notepad application and adjust game modes to peaceful. To set yourself as a server world admin, type OP and your username in the Minecraft server app. Then enter. Run Minecraft Java Edition. Select multiplayer in the main menu. Go to direct connection and type localhost in the server address. Your server world for Minecraft will surely be loaded with your character. That's all for now, everyone. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.